I am ready to get this junk steering the heck off of here. Literally, it did good until it snapped in half on the trail. So I totally recommend, if you guys are going to do any type of steering upgrade, it's going to be like your first upgrade. Highly recommend the CapFab steering. You'll see why. All right, one of the first things you want to double check is you get your universal micrometer out. You're going to be drilling out these knuckles right here. We got to drill them out to a 5/8 bolt. And most people, what recommended on YouTube was a reamer. And you always want to make sure that your reamer is the same size as the bolt before you get this started, because pretty sure you want to drill it out the right size. So let's go ahead and get these knuckles and the pitman arm drilled out.
Oh, so you have to do the knuckles and the pitman arms. You didn't say that last time.
And we'll get this going. Wow. I am definitely going to say this $40 reamer from Amazon is badass. And it looks like it's literally cutting like butter. That was easy.
Alright guys, so you were probably talking smack about our leak right over here, but next video we'll be installing a new gearbox, a redneck ram, as well as showing you how to install hydro assist.
So the ultimate test. Butter. Butter, butter, butter. Get on to the next. I totally don't recommend picking yellow as your color choice, simply because it takes like a can of spray paint to cover anything, versus black, a couple squirts and you can't tell. So every time we upgrade something, we always paint it yellow. We spend like $8 or $12 on spray paint. It's ridiculous.
So since you're talking smack about my choice in color, can I talk smack about how you've had some issues with white stuff on your shirts this weekend? Show him your shirt. He bartended last night and it looked like he had deodorant stains all over his shirt.
Totally do not recommend dropping this on your head. It's really, really heavy. So far, that's pretty good. Alrighty. it'll look.
Alrighty, looking good.
What?
What are you doing?
Resting. What's up, guys? We're back at it again. Wanted to do the review portion of the project. It does look like, when they say this thing's solid steel, when you go to pick it up, it is solid steel. It's way heavier than what it looks like. Super happy the box that came shipped in said everything was made in the USA. Feels really, really good quality. Reaming the holes out with that Amazon reamer, super simple, totally recommend one. We're excited to get this on here, and we're going to show you what it looks like when we're all done now, and see how she drives. Alright guys, our honest review of the CabFab steering. 100% would recommend it to any one of my friends. It's completely solid, easy to install. Don't mind the grease on the paint. We're going to go ahead and do an alignment. Once we finalize the alignment, we're going to go ahead and paint it up one more time. Totally pumped on the new kit. We're gonna go test it out on some rocks pretty soon, hopefully get the hydro on, and then we'll see you guys next time.